Did you know that hiccups are caused by involuntary contractions of the diaphragm? These sudden movements create a quick intake of breath, which is then abruptly stopped by the vocal cords closing, resulting in that distinctive hike sound. This fascinating reflex can occur due to various reasons, such as eating too quickly, consuming carbonated beverages, or even experiencing sudden excitement or stress. While hiccups are usually harmless and temporary, they can sometimes last longer than expected, leading to curious cases where individuals experience them for days or even weeks. In rare cases, prolonged hiccups can be a sign of underlying medical conditions, and seeking advice from a healthcare provider may be necessary to rule out any serious issues.